welcome to our YouTube channel. And this is my guest for today's video. I see Bubbles. Yes, and we are doing something today. And then, para makita ka dali. Yes. Okay, dalawa sila. And we are doing something today like mag-dishwash ta karon. And then here it is. Ah! So, mag-hi sa YouTube channel. Hi! Ikaw, pag-hi dayon. So, we will be doing something here. Like this. Ako, inapag-hi, inahay.
Hi.
Nahay. Oh, may pa si Tantan sa una kay. Maging si Tantan na hi. Hi. Pag-hi ba? Hello. So, mag-vlog mi karon here at the kitchen because there's a lot of things to do. Yes, balik sa kadra Bubbles. And then, yes, and I am here at our kitchen. So, here it is. Manghugas, daghan kaayo. Yes, manghugas daghan. Ali, agad! So, manghugas daghan kaayo na plato here at the kitchen. And, yes, this is my vlog after 5 days because wala ko yung content here. So I'll be doing a lot of things up in here at the kitchen. Yes, because the kitchen is so dirty. Yes. So let's start. Manay kang buot nga sabon aron magbula o daghan ang ato ang sabon. And yes, I'm doing it every afternoon. And I was like, there's a lot of things. So, mangwaswas na ta og plato. Mangwaswas na tag plato. Like legit, kapoy. Kapoy kaayo. At hindi ko may papangako ang kulay rosas na mundo para sa'yo. At hindi ko maiilawan ng anino. Hindi ko maiilawan. Ano yung kabastos? So, magkuha na ta, sabon. Mag-ano na ta, mang inner, basta mang napo. Manako. taas pa na video is we will be doing a house tour diri sa balay sa ako ang lolo. So this is like sulod ba dyan mo sa entrance is makita na dyan mo kusina. So this is bawal lang ko ng hugas diri so this is usually ang ginagamit pag manghugas mi or sa gawas pag walay tubig or di makasaka ang tubig. And diri may galuto. Yes, and our refrigerator. Nakipuyot ako sa balay kaya nag-renovate. Nakipuyot ako sa kong lolo kaya nag-renovate pa dito sa balay. So there. Yes, man yung mga refrigerator na wa ni sulod kaya nahurot na. Yes, and then amo ang lamisa. This is where gakaon. Yes. So money food na mo karon yes, di ako nagkaon na. So we will be moving on and we will going to go here as niagi naman ta diri so diri mi gatambay mi usually diri when we spend more time with my cousins, friends, and relatives and like that. Paghay mo. Thank you for your participation. Ari sila ka. And then if you go here like legit and then when we enter here from the kitchen is you will see the first room. The first room is if you enter here English to have so you cannot see anything what's inside because wala may suga dari So move to the second kwarto. So the second kwarto here is this is kailangan pa nimo masaka pa. Yes, more na siya second floor. Like that. And then we will going to enter to the second room which is parte sa kong tita or mommy. Let's go. So dali na suga. This is just a small kwarto. Here. Okay. Naman. So here. Yeah. Nami dali and then I am using sa tawag ni basta nagamit ko. So kanang i-close ang lights. And then after that, the third kwarto is here. And we cannot enter there because naay natulog. Yes, and this is our altar. Hoy, pusa na doon yung ay mga sinina. Our altar here. And then, and then, so, baba na ta. And, stop ta dari okay, naman ko iro dari so, step na ta. So, dari mo sala. This is our sala. And then, nalipong ko. So, kung mato ka sa among sala, among sala dyan is like plain sala dyan siya. Tapos, dari man may nagstay sa balay sa kong lulo. So, maunang nahimuan og higdaanan. So, they may usually higda here. In this place, we usually higda. So, yeah. Diri ami ko ang tapos among CR kay naa sa gawas. So, pag malibang jud ka, magdali-dali jud ka gulaktas kay lisod na. Tapos, diri among gawas, among view. That. Di ko sure kung makita ninyo among view, but I hope that you know. Tapos naming mga stuffs in here like stuffed toys like that. Yeah, and this is among guba na TV. Very usually nakatanaw akong lolo. And then darang iro na akong ginamin kay igat man gud siya laagan. Yes. So naming aircon, ang aircon kani. Yeah. So, I think this is the end of this vlog and I hope that you liked it. and you enjoy watching it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ay, bye.